Over the past few months, the design team of the Cabarrus County Courthouse expansion has completed the schematic design. The schematic design is the layout of all of the space, where all of the spaces will go, and all of the inner workings of the courthouse and how those operations will go together. So in the past, what the board and the public have seen is the renderings of the exterior of the building, the exterior of the facade. They've seen some general floor plans to show what different departments and divisions will be on different levels and where the courtrooms will be. The schematic design dove deeper into that to figure out how all those areas will stack and how they will be fed both mechanically, plumbing-wise, electrically. So all of that had to be figured out. Plus, there's a considerable amount of security that goes throughout the courthouse. Different types of elevators where inmates will travel, where attorneys will travel, where judges will travel. As part of the schematic design process in review with the end users, Messer Construction was able to build out 2 mock courtrooms for us at our current Infrastructure and Asset Management Operations Center. It's a large warehouse, and we were able to build out 2 mock courtrooms that are completely built to the size that they will appear in the new building. Then we were able to bring the end users over there to actually work in that mock courtroom and make sure that the spacing was correct in terms of where they were sitting, where the jury was, where the witness would be, where the court reporter was, and also that the line of sights and the different heights of the different benches and tables would fit all the different users. And we took all of the comments that the different end users had on those courtrooms and were able to make small tweaks to some of the line of sights and some of the distances between certain benches and certain tables and certain chairs. That schematic design process is now complete, and that's what was presented to the board. We had the end users at the board meeting, headed up by the Honorable Judge Marty McGee, to say to our board that yes, the end users have been engaged in the space planning and the programming of the space to get to that 100% schematic design. And that has now been passed off to Messer Construction, our construction manager at risk. They use that to come up with an actual estimate of the entire project. Again, that is not the GMPs or guaranteed maximum prices that will be delivered as the process go on. This is just an overall estimate based on the schematic design. Now, as we move forward into the actual nitty-gritty of the design of the project into construction drawings, Messer will take each of those drawings and drive at what that exact GMP is. There's going to be 3 GMPs to this process. The first one will be the enabling project, which involves putting an extra elevator in the current courthouse and demoing a part of the building and starting to take out the parking lot where the new building will go. That will last for 5 months, and then you will start to see GMP 2 happen, which is the erection of the new building. And our timeline is that will be complete and able to be used by the public and the end users by January of 2023. After that, GMP 3 will take place, and that is the renovations of the current courthouse. And that process should take 18 to 24 months. And then all of the entire building connected, the 2 buildings, the current courthouse and the new courthouse, will be open to the public.